Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on an awesome adventure to explore the core of Indian democracy, our fundamental rights. These special rights are written in Part 3 of our Constitution, from Articles 12 to 35. They give us, the citizens of India, power and keep the government's power in check. But remember friends, with big rights come big responsibilities. Even though our fundamental rights protect our freedom, they aren't unlimited. So let's start this journey to understand our fundamental rights, why they're important, and how they affect our lives as Indians. Our journey starts with the most important part of any democracy, the right to equality. Articles 14 to 18 of our Constitution guarantee this right, making sure every citizen, no matter where they come from, is treated the same under the law. Article 14 sets the ground rules, saying everyone is equal in the eyes of the law and gets the same protection. Article 15 goes even further, saying no one can be treated differently because of their religion, race, caste, whether they're male or female, or where they were born. Remember friends, equality isn't just a right, it's the heart of a fair society. Friends, what's life if we can't live it the way we want? Our Constitution knows this is important, so it gives us the right to freedom in Articles 19 to 22. This right is like a collection of 6 freedoms: freedom of speech and expression, freedom to meet peacefully, freedom to form groups, freedom to travel anywhere in India, freedom to live anywhere in India, and freedom to have any job or business. But remember friends, freedom doesn't mean doing whatever you want. Our Constitution allows some limits on these freedoms if it's needed for national security, public peace, or morality. Friends, any kind of exploitation is wrong and hurts people's dignity. Our Constitution is against this, giving us the right against exploitation in Articles 23 and 24. Article 23 is a strong tool against human trafficking and forced labor, making them illegal and punishable by law. Article 24 protects our children, the future of our nation, by banning child labor in dangerous jobs. Chapter 4. Right to freedom of religion, a mix of beliefs. India, friends, is a country with many different religions and beliefs. Our Constitution celebrates this, giving us the right to freedom of religion in Articles 25 to 28. Article 25 gives us freedom of conscience and the right to follow, practice, and share our religion. Article 26 lets religious groups manage their own religious matters. Chapter 5. Cultural and educational rights, protecting our heritage. India's mix of cultures and languages makes us strong, friends. Our Constitution knows this and protects the cultural and educational rights of minorities in Articles 29 and 30. Article 29 gives every group of citizens living in India the right to keep their own language, writing, or culture. Article 30 goes further, giving minorities the right to start and run their own schools. Chapter 6. Right to constitutional remedies, protecting our rights. Friends, what happens if someone violates our fundamental rights? Our Constitution gives us a powerful tool, the right to constitutional remedies, in Article 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called this article the heart and soul of our Constitution. It lets citizens go directly to the Supreme Court if their fundamental rights are violated. This means the highest court in India protects our fundamental rights, making sure the government or anyone else doesn't take them away. Article 32 lets the Supreme Court issue orders to enforce these rights. Outro your rights, your power. Friends, as we finish exploring India's fundamental rights, remember these rights aren't just words on paper. They are the base of our democracy, making sure we have individual freedom, promoting equality, and stopping the government from having too much power. So, let's promise to uphold the values in our Constitution and create a society where everyone can fully enjoy their fundamental rights.